Pound it. Good boy. Let's go. Come on, jump up. You wanna go to the helicopter? Good boy.
You ready to go flying? You ready?
Yeah, Yankee Whiskey with the 4-lane traffic departing south, and we'll report the 180.
Are you ready? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. There we go, buddy. There we go. Woo! Stay on. Oh, we can get here. Next spot, buddy.
Bentley, you have fun? Are you having fun? You like this?
Ready? Hey, you want the stick? Go get it. Good boy. Oh, you having fun?
Pound it. Good boy. Good boy. Should we go home? Hey everybody, thanks for watching. That was my day with Mr. Bentley, or Bentley the dog. He's a 4-year-old English Bulldog and absolutely loves flying in helicopters, so this is his favorite thing to do in the world. And he has his own YouTube and Instagram. He's a lot cooler than I am, so you can check him out at Mr. Bentley the dog on both Instagram and Facebook and YouTube and all that. And big thanks to my buddy from Treven LePage from House Hippo Media, helped me film all this, do the editing. His links are in the description, so if you need some film work done in Vancouver, please check him out. Also, big thanks to Monstercat. They supply the music for a lot of the stuff I do. And as a guy getting started, it's amazing to have a label like Monstercat saying we can use anything from their record label. So check out Monstercat. Their links are in the description. As always, you can subscribe up here. Check out more videos down here. Follow me on social media. And also, again, follow this weirdo, Mr. Bentley. Pound it. Pound it. Good boy. Good boy. All right, have a great afternoon. Thanks for watching.